Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about the image tag in the HTML programming. In this session, we will see what is the image tag, what is the syntax that is associated with the image tag, and what are the different attributes that are available with the image tag, and how the image tag can be used in order to make our web page more effective or more decorative. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos on the various topics of the subjects of electronics and computer science. So let us start the session with the question what we mean by the image tag in HTML. Friends, whenever we make the use of the web page, then it is necessary that we should add certain visual elements in the web page. The visual elements such as graphics, images, pictures, photographs, we need to add in our web page. Because whenever we add some visual elements, then the web page will look better. It will look more compelling. And instead of only giving the text in the web page, it is better to give images in the web page. So frequently we need to add some images in our web page or photographs in our web page, and such addition can be done by using a tag that is being provided in the HTML, and this tag is called as the img or image tag. And the image tag has many more attributes associated. So this is the image tag, and the basic purpose of this image tag is to include the graphic image in the body of the web page. Sometimes whenever we add the image, then those images are referred as the inline images because they are inserted within a line of the body text. Image is at a text level element, so it should be nested inside the paragraph or inside the block level container, and it does not start the new paragraph automatically. So whenever you want to make the use of the image tag, then you can see that it will not start the new paragraph automatically, but it will be nested inside the paragraph or inside any block level container. Whenever you want to add any image into the web page, then you should have the image available with you, and the image path can be given by making the use of the source attribute, image source. You have to give the appropriate path of the image along with the name of the image. So we can make the use of always two attributes with the image. One is the source, another is the alter attribute. So source will refer, src will refer to the source of the image where the image is being available. And if because of some reason the browser is not displaying the image, then in that case the alternative text related with the image is being displayed, and therefore whenever we make the use of image in the HTML, then these two attributes such as source and alt must be used within the image tag. So for example, this is a simple program where we are making the use of the image tag. Suppose this is a web page of Cambridge t-shirts. So initially we will display some message related with the company, and then we will give the image of the particular t-shirt. So that source is being given, and the alternative word for this image is the t-shirt, and then some links are given on the web page. So whenever you type this program by using any editor, text editor, and when you run it by using any web browser, then you will find that on the screen of your computer, the message will be displayed along with the image of the teacher. So you can adjust the image as per your own requirement. You can make it small or you can make it large, and then accordingly you will find that the web page can be modified. Images can be aligned, and whenever you want to align the image, you need to make the use of the align attribute. So inline images occur in the middle of the line of the text. If the image is a large one, then the line will become very tall and a lot of white space will appear. Floating images cause the text to wrap around the image. So images can be either left aligned or you can make them right aligned. The paragraph will flow around the image for the several lines if the image is very large. So to align an image in a line, you can make the use of the attributes such as align is equal to top, align is equal to middle, or align is equal to bottom for proper image alignment. So by default, the align is equal to bottom, which means that the bottom of the image will align with the bottom of the line of the text. If you choose it as a top, then you are requesting the browser to display the image on the top. If you assign align is equal to middle, then the browser will align the image into the middle of the line of the text. Say for example, if I make certain modification within the program, and if I now make the use of the align attribute, then you can find that you can write align is equal to middle, or the alignment will be in the middle part, and you will observe the corresponding changes on the screen whenever the align attributes are changed. You can make the use of the float image, and whenever you want to make the use of the image to float to the left or right side, and it will cause the paragraph to wrap around the image. So you can choose again the align attributes such as align is equal to left or align is equal to right in order to have proper alignment of the image. The width and height attribute will indicate the size of the image. So if you want to reduce the size of the image, then you can make the use of the width and height attributes. So the associated width can be specified, width is equal to, or the height of the image can be specified, height is equal to, and width and height are displayed in the form of the numbers. So it is in terms of pixels. So these numbers will represent the number of pixels. The image can be stretched by increasing the width and the height numbers. You can display the image with border also. So with border is equal to 1, a thin border will appear around the image, and it is possible that you can specify the larger values of the border as well. So this is a program modification in the program where we have made the use of width and height. So one can easily observe that the width and height is being reduced, and now the image will appear as per the specifications given by us, and the screen will also get changed, and you can make the use of these attributes in order to have a proper display of your web page. So thank you friends. Hopefully you have understood how to make the use of the image tab in order to add image or photograph or video in our web page.